Are you looking for the ultimate action camera to capture your most thrilling adventures? GoPro continues to dominate the market with its cutting-edge technology and innovative designs. Today, we'll dive into the top 5 GoPro cameras for 2024, breaking down their features and why they're worth your investment. Let's get started. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a fantastic entry point for those seeking high-quality footage without breaking the bank. With its 5K video recording and 20 megapixel photo resolution, this camera ensures your content looks sharp and vibrant. It features a front-facing display, making it a favorite among vloggers who want to monitor their framing on the go. The Hero 9 Black also includes Hyper Smooth 3.0 stabilization, which delivers ultra smooth footage even during high intensity activities. Add to that a larger battery for extended shooting times and waterproofing up to 33 feet, and you have a camera that's ready for nearly any adventure. Its ability to shoot time-lapse videos, live streams, and slow motion footage further adds to its versatility, making it a great option for creators who want to experiment with various shooting modes. For underwater enthusiasts, the Hero 9 Black's waterproof capability combined with its rugged design ensures it can handle depths and challenging conditions. Additionally, its intuitive interface allows both professionals and beginners to capture stunning visuals effortlessly. With affordability as one of its strengths, this model is ideal for those embarking on their first action camera journey. Another compelling feature is the ease of integration with accessories like mounts and external lighting, which enhances the functionality of the Hero 9 Black for a wide range of shooting environments. Whether you're documenting your scuba dive or creating cinematic travel vlogs, this camera provides reliability and quality in every frame. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black takes everything great about its predecessor and elevates it to a new level. Powered by the GP2 processor, this model delivers double the performance, offering 5.3K video at an impressive 60 frames per second and 4K at a stunning 120 frames per second. This upgrade ensures smoother footage and sharper details, even during the fastest action sequences. The Hero 10 Black introduces Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization, which provides unmatched stability for your videos. The camera is also capable of capturing 23 megapixel still images, making it a versatile tool for both video and photography. With enhanced low-light performance, it excels in nighttime and dimly lit scenarios, offering clarity and vibrancy in challenging environments. One of the standout features of the Hero 10 Black is its seamless connectivity. Transferring footage is now faster and more convenient thanks to improved wireless capabilities and USB-C support. This feature makes it easy for content creators to edit and share their work instantly. Whether you're skiing down slopes, biking through rugged trails, or snorkeling in crystal clear waters, this camera is built to keep up with your adventures. Durability is another strong suit of the Hero 10 Black. Its rugged design is paired with waterproofing up to 33 feet, ensuring it can withstand tough environments. Additionally, the Hero 10 Black's compatibility with a range of accessories makes it an excellent choice for creators who want to expand their toolkit. Its speed, performance, and reliability make it an investment worth considering. Number 3. GoPro Max. If you want to expand your creative horizons, the GoPro Max is the perfect choice. This 360-degree camera allows you to capture immersive footage that can be reframed and edited into traditional videos or stunning panoramas. With 6K spherical video recording and 16.6 megapixel 360 photos, the Max is a versatile tool for both professional and hobbyist creators. The Max also features Max Hyper Smooth stabilization, ensuring steady footage no matter the conditions. Additionally, it has 6 built-in microphones that deliver superior audio quality, making it ideal for vlogging or capturing ambient sounds. The high-quality audio ensures your storytelling is as immersive as your visuals, making it a popular choice among content creators. For social media enthusiasts, the GoPro Max offers unique editing options through the GoPro app. You can create dynamic transitions, add effects, and export content directly to your favorite platforms. Its time warp feature is perfect for creating captivating time-lapse sequences, further expanding your creative possibilities. The rugged and waterproof design means the Max is ready to accompany you on any adventure, from cityscapes to mountaintops. Whether you're capturing extreme sports, nature's beauty, or everyday moments, the GoPro Max is a powerful tool that enhances your creativity. Its ability to capture immersive 360-degree content sets it apart from other cameras in its class. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the camera for those who demand cutting-edge technology and unparalleled quality. Featuring an upgraded sensor, this model captures 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at an incredible 120 frames per second, making it perfect for smooth slow-motion footage. With 27 megapixel photo resolution, your still images will boast extraordinary clarity and detail. A standout feature of the Hero 11 Black is its improved hyper-view mode, which offers an ultra-wide field of view for breathtaking footage. This mode allows you to capture immersive perspectives, whether you're filming action sports or sweeping landscapes. Combined with hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization, this camera ensures your videos look cinematic no matter how intense the activity. The Hero 11 Black also introduces advanced video settings, including 10-bit color capture. This feature enables a broader range of colors, creating more vibrant and lifelike footage. Whether you're filming a sunset or underwater coral reefs, the Hero 11 Black ensures your videos stand out. Its enhanced durability and waterproofing up to 33 feet make it a reliable companion for any environment. Battery life is another area where the Hero 11 Black shines. With improved energy efficiency, you can shoot longer without worrying about running out of power. For adventurers and content creators alike, this model pushes the boundaries of what an action camera can achieve. The versatility of the Hero 11 Black extends to its accessories. With modular add-ons like external microphones, lighting, and mounts that enhances functionality, these additions make it a robust choice for creators seeking a complete production package. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12, the latest and most advanced GoPro yet. This model introduces groundbreaking features including improved dynamic range and next-generation stabilization for unrivaled video quality. The Hero 12 Black captures 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K video at a staggering 240 frames per second, delivering cinematic slow-motion shots with exceptional clarity. Its 27 megapixel photo capabilities and enhanced low-light performance make it a versatile tool for both day and night adventures. With extended battery life and dual screens, the Hero 12 Black is designed to meet the needs of content creators and adventurers alike. Whether you're filming a high-speed chase or capturing serene landscapes, this camera excels in every scenario. The Hero 12 Black also features advanced editing capabilities through the GoPro Quick app. From applying cinematic effects to adjusting color profiles, the app enhances your post-production workflow. Additionally, cloud uploads ensure your footage is always backed up and ready for editing, giving you peace of mind during your travels. One of the most exciting additions to the Hero 12 Black is its HDR video mode. This feature enhances contrast and detail, ensuring your videos are vibrant and lifelike. The improved waterproof design allows for deeper dives, while its rugged build ensures durability in extreme conditions. The Hero 12 Black truly sets a new standard for action cameras, combining innovation, performance, and reliability. There you have it, the top 5 GoPro cameras for 2024. Each model offers unique features tailored to different needs, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend adventurer, these cameras provide the tools to elevate your content and capture unforgettable moments. Which GoPro is your favorite? Write it in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. See you in the next video.